Who better to pull pranks on than your innocent, non-deserving family? Try not to crack up while watching these. Come on, I'm almost there. Hey! What's that now? Okay. Smoother than a baby's bottom. Really? Move it! Jeez! Perfect. Does she not see I'm playing a game? That's it. She wants to mess with me? Two can play that game. Zoe loves getting her hair done. Let's see if she likes this color change. A few drops ought to do it. Let's stir it up really well. Yeah, that's it. This should teach her a lesson. The locks could use some moisture. Can I? This? I thought you'd never ask. I hope this stuff does the trick. The green must mean it's healthy. This new hair mask is gonna work wonders. I gotta really rub it in there. Don't forget the roots. It takes a while when you have long hair like me. Looks kinda cool, huh? See ya. Oh, that shower felt amazing. I feel like a new woman. Oh yeah? Time to see if that hair mask worked. What? It definitely worked. Then what's with the laughter? Ah! I haven't laughed this hard in a while. And school pictures are tomorrow. Brian? What? Bye. Huh? Who's that? Zoe's coming? No, do a happy face. Do I look presentable? Oh yeah, who could resist this? Gotta keep things fresh. Oh, that's still awful. I need all of these I can get. A bit better. Don't want Zoe to see all this dust. Get in there. Get fluffy now. Oh, how pretty. Attractive room decor. Nice. Huh? Hope I don't look too tired. Hope my place isn't too messy. Apple? Oh, no worries. I know. Mind if I take this? This is off to a bad start. Did I really offer her an apple? So stupid. Actually, maybe apples are the answer. Yeah. Remember those Tic Tacs? Take 2 and stick them into the apple. Now, get a small piece of black tape. Stick it onto your 2 front teeth. Grab some popcorn. And it's showtime. Gah! I think I hurt my teeth. Huh? Brian, are those your teeth? We gotta call a dentist. How does this even happen? I miss my teeth. Luckily, I have another pair behind this tape. I don't get it. That prank's evil, you know that? This movie is not gory enough. Seriously? This isn't even scary. Save me, Brian. It isn't even real. Whoa. Ever hear of personal space, Zoe? Maybe movie night was a bad idea. And now I'm all out of candy. Oh, man. You can't leave me here.
What?
You're scared of the TV? Give me a break. All this suspense is making me hungry. Good thing I got those snacks. I need a hot dog, stat. That's better. That gives me an idea. Prank time. See this little piece of hot dog? Looks like a finger if you do this. Don't you think? Ahem. Ah! Brian! What on earth is going on? What? Ah! 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 My finger! Ah! It's so gross! Ah! Look at all this blood! It hurts so bad! What are we gonna do? Wait! Did it just grow back? Did you just pull a prank on me? So clever. What a scaredy cat. What are we snacking on today? Bingo. It's chocolate time. Gotta have some entertainment. Now we're talking. Ooh, that thing's messy, huh? Someone get this guy a napkin. Done, I guess. I can't believe I skipped lunch. This looks good. Are you kidding? Brian never cleans up after himself. I guess I'm cleaning it myself. Unless I can think of something more effective. Take a glass and some chocolate. Once you pour them in the glass, melt it. Then stick a popsicle stick into a bar of soap. Time to get dipping. Make sure it all gets in there. And now, it looks like the real thing. Wait till he takes a bite out of this. Oh, Brian! What? Here. Oh, that's so nice. I owe you one. First bite's always the best. Or is it? What's wrong with this thing? It tastes like soap. That's because it is, sucker. That'll teach you to clean up. So get to work. Clean freaks are mean. Gross. That's not good. Ugh, my stomach hurts. Nothing like a warm chai in the morning. All right, let's go to work. Where'd I leave off? Chai me, baby. Zoe, have you seen my special cup? I don't think so. Hey, what do you think you're doing? Brian! Exactly, Brian! You do read, don't you? You're ruining everything. Who? Brian? You're overreacting. Wait a minute. No way. What now? That's my beanbag chair. Yep, my name's on this one too. See? Brian. Okay, I get it. Nothing's mine, okay? Glad we're on the same page. You drank all the chai, didn't you? Oh, he's such a snob. But what Brian wants, Brian gets. Yep. Things have finally turned around. This is definitely more comfortable. Whoa. Did something just move? Brian? definitely just saw something. Weird. Okay, what's happening? Looks like Zoe owns this house now. Nothing like the power of scare tactics. Did these pranks make you laugh? We bet you'll have a hard time picking which one to try first. But don't be surprised when things turn into full-on prank wars. Don't forget to share this video with your friends to give them a good chuckle. Have you clicked on these yet? Get watching and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss out on the fun.